Wow. Blow drying my hair using my Conair blow dryer, and I'm going to be using, well, yeah, I'm going to be putting leave-in conditioner in my hair using a heat protectant and then blow drying it. So the leave-in I'm using is the Carrot Care Natural Textures leave-in conditioner and the Natural Fusions Mallow Root leave-in conditioner, my two staples. And then I'm going in with, what is it called? Yes, I'm going in with the Tresemme Heat Defense, and it gives up to 230 degrees Celsius protection. It's just the spray, so yeah, let's go. You know, before I didn't really care that much about conditioners, but my two staple conditioners, well, not conditioners, leave-in conditioner is the Carrot Care Natural Textures leave-in conditioner, and it's got alma and shikaka alma and shikaka. It's got argan and an oil that I cannot pronounce, but I believe it's Abyssinian oils and fruit extract. So it looks like this. It's not going to focus. Okay, so that's the first one, and then the one I normally use is the Palmer's Natural Fusions Mallow Root leave-in conditioner. Nearly done, but I'm gonna pop off this. It's like a cute bonnet, isn't it? So that's gonna come off. Should I put conditioner in every section and then, yeah, I'm gonna condition first. Two done, two to go. Okay, so my four sections have been, my four sections have been moisturized, and I'm going to move into the blowout stage. So I think what I'll do is switch off the camera, come back. Something is on my neck. Oh, hello, didn't see you there. Yes, so I'll be back. see the back, which gets up to here. That's the left or the right? Oh, that's my right hand side. This is my waist. And then the left hand side, I hope this is my left hand side. Yep. The left hand side. This is my waist. I don't know if it reaches. It's the phyto specific. So it's the phyto specific baobab oil. I think that's how you pronounce it. So it's a blend of baobab, shea, castor oil, karanja and recruit oil. And it's meant to you're meant to use it for your hair and body, but I just use it for my hair. Comes with an instruction manual. Yeah. So that's what I just use. I'm just doing one last blue. This is the front of my hair, it just gets up to here. My ears section on the left. Gets up to here. And then I have okay, and then at the back, yeah, I'm gonna do it from the back. So this is my waist. Oh, can you see? Okay, I think I got that. This is my waist, and I'm keeping my head straight. Wait, am I waist length? To be honest, I don't know. So this is the nape of my neck on the left hand side. I'm just redoing it again. And then at the back, wow, this is different. Trying to grab it. Oh, it's there. Okay. There we go. Keeping my head straight. This is my waist. I don't know what that is. Do my hand? I don't know if my hand. And this is where it gets up to. Again, I don't know what that is. Most times when I do a blowout, I like to wear my hair what's the word? I like to wear my hair in braids. Usually I actually don't measure my hair, I'm not gonna lie. I don't get out a tape measure and measure it, just because, I don't know, it's a lot of calculation to do, and then you have to hold it here, and yeah, it doesn't work for me. But I'll just wear my hair in full braids like you saw before, and yeah, that's it. Before that, subscribe. I personally think you should subscribe and like it, and don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll see you in another video.